Begin your dental implant journey with Nobel Biocare, the leader in the industry and the company that started it all. Training and education is the hallmark of Nobel Biocare. It's not a series of individual programs, but a lifelong pursuit to better ourselves and you, our partner, something that we have long called learning for life. There is no other dental implant company that is more focused on research and science, developing evidence-based protocols for enhanced patient outcomes with the belief that this education is fundamental and the foundation in the success and growth of you as a clinician that is new to implant dentistry. Nobel Biocare has helped thousands of clinicians establish and grow their implant practice, and in the process, we have cultivated an understanding of what is needed to successfully start in implant dentistry. We have industry-leading programs and partnerships with world-renowned training institutions that can be customized to your specific needs. We offer many different pathways to help you start in your journey into implant dentistry, from hands-on training, live surgical and restorative programs, in-office mentorships, and online training available 24 hours a day through various platforms, as well as tools dedicated to help you market your new dental implant practice. All of this is backed with the most educated and skilled team that will be there to support you through every step of your dental implant journey. Join us on your journey and lead from the front with Nobel Biocare as your global partner. We can help you find the right path on your journey into implant dentistry, allowing you to make more meaningful and impactful changes to the lives of your patients.